danger is lurking along a major roadway in one St. James community. But, as you will hear in this report, the National Works Agency has issued a warning to residents about the use of the deteriorating road.
A woman grips this young child's hand tightly as they inch along a narrow strip of roadway in Springmount, St. James. Below them, a steep drop.
My fear is that somebody, a stranger, is coming down, especially down at night, and fall over into it.
This has been the daily reality for residents since Hurricane Melissa swept through the area, causing a massive landslide that wiped out a large section of the main road which links several communities. Now it's impassable to vehicles, and for pedestrians who use the area, it's a disaster waiting to happen.
When it just happened, so we have to walk, through the hills.
Everybody knows that they can just come halfway and walk go. Or you go Hampton and walk come down. Most of the people in Bounty know about it. Well, the stranger, you just come back up and you say you have a walk.
However, this resident sees things differently.
And it's terrible because I'm a 72-year-old, and if me feel they come from Montego Bay, after they walk from down, they so go up. What do you think me feel about it?
The National Works Agency says it's aware of the site. The agency is urging residents not to use the breakaway, warning that the exposed section remains dangerously unstable.
Whereas the alternate routes may be longer, we advise commuters to ensure that they make use of alternate routes, and this is from using the area at Springmount that has been severely eroded. When you look at that situation currently, there is approximately 30 feet, a steep drop-off. So persons who may be using that area, the area may be slippery if it rains. And even outside of being slippery, any minor mistake while trying to traverse that section could be quite dangerous.
Community Relations Officer for the Western Region, Janelle Ricketts, says a geological study will be conducted. It's required to determine the next steps. Until then, it's a wait-and-see situation for the people of Springmount. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.